In this experiment, we are going to make a CO₂ extinguisher. For this, we need a bottle of vinegar, some baking soda, some lighter, a candle. I have attached it to a small piece of cardboard and a bowl. Let's get started. I'm going to take the bowl and place the candle right in the middle, like this. Next, I'm going to be opening some baking soda. I'm going to be adding it around the candle, like this. A tiny bead is enough, as you can see here. Next, we are going to take our lighter. I want to light it. So the candle is lighted. I want to open our bottle of vinegar. And then just pour it on the side. So as you can see, the candle flame goes out. As you can hear a bit of hissing sound. This is because when baking soda and vinegar react, it releases carbon dioxide gas. So as fire needs oxygen for burning, carbon dioxide covers the flame with a layer of carbon dioxide gas, which prevents the oxygen from getting in as the flame dies out. So try it with your family and friends, share it with others. Until then, bye.